Hello my class 9 students. Today we will discuss on the two topics density and surface tension. So let us begin. Density is used to compare the heaviness or lightness of different substances. We need to compare their masses of same volume. We do this with the help of the physical quantity known as density. So definition of density is, as you have already learnt in your junior classes, density of a substance is defined as its mass per unit volume. Density is denoted by the sign rho. Rho equals to m by v. Here as you can see, rho equals to m by v is given here. The left hand side is rho. That is m equals to rho into v. So mass is equals to density into volume. The SI unit of density is kg per meter cube and the CGS unit of density is gram per centimeter cube. Now the relation between these two units, 1 kg per meter cube is equals to 1 by 1000 gram per centimeter cube, or 1 gram per centimeter cube is equals to 1000 kg per meter cube. Density of pure water is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius equals to 1 gram per centimeter cube or 1000 kg per meter cube. Mark the definition of relative density, children. Considering density of pure water at 4 degrees Celsius as a standard, density of other substances can be compared with reference to it, and the ratio so obtained is termed as relative density of those substances. Relative means when I am comparing with something. Now relative density means when density of a substance is compared to density of a fixed quantity. Here the density of the fixed quantity is the density of pure water at 4 degrees Celsius. So relative density of a substance is defined as the ratio of the density of a substance to the density of pure water at 4 degrees Celsius. See, RD equals to density of the substance by density of pure water at 4 degrees Celsius. It can also be written as mass of unit volume of the substance by mass of unit volume of pure water at 4 degrees Celsius. So it can also be expressed as a ratio of masses of the two substances, mass of the substance and the mass of pure water at 4 degrees Celsius. So the relationship between relative density and density in CGS system is equals to RD equals to density of the substance in gram per centimeter cube by 1 gram per centimeter cube. Why am I using 1 gram per centimeter cube? Because the density of water at 4 degrees Celsius is 1 gram per centimeter cube in terms of gram per centimeter cube. So RD is equals to density of the substance in gram per centimeter cube. This is the relationship between relative density and density in gram per centimeter cube. They are equal. In SI system, RD is equals to density of the substance in kg per meter cube by 1000 kg per meter cube, because the density of pure water at 4 degrees Celsius in kg per meter cube is 1000 kg per meter cube. That is why we have put 1000 kg per meter cube. So 1000 into RD is equals to density of the substance in kg per meter cube. So relative density is simply a ratio of two identical quantities. It itself is having no unit, but there is a relationship between relative density and density of a substance. In surface tension, you just need to know the definition, the SI unit and the dimensional formula. Surface tension is the property of a liquid by virtue of which the free surface of the liquid acts as a stretched membrane having a tendency to contract to acquire minimum surface area. You can see the spider crawling on the surface of the water. This is an example of surface tension. The surface of the water acts as a stretched membrane for the spider to walk on it. Raindrops are spherical in shape. When mercury is split on a clean glass plate, Small globules of spherical shape are seen, whereas the larger globules are elliptical or cylindrical in shape. A steel needle placed on water surface produces a depression of water surface at the point of contact. Some insects like spider and mosquitoes, which are not wet by water, are able to crawl over the free surface of water. When an ordinary paintbrush is dipped into water, its hairs are seen separately, but when taken out, the hairs are seen to cling together. Rainwater cannot pass through the clothes of a raincoat or an umbrella. All these are examples of surface tension, as the water surface acts as a stretched membrane under a certain tension, tending to acquire minimum surface area, and the property is called surface tension. The SI unit of surface tension is Newton per meter and the CGS unit is dyne per centimeter. Dimensional formula of surface tension is S equals to mt to the power minus 2. So your half yearly syllabus for chapter 3 will come till dimensional formula of surface tension. For chapter 3, please go through the topics that I have mentioned, learn from your book and also read the notes that I have provided. Along with that, try to write in your own words, build up your own concepts. We will meet in the next class with the next chapter. Till then, take care, stay safe at home. Thank you, students.